Welcome back to the channel. Today we are at Dustin's summer kickoff meet, so let's get into today's video. My E46 M3 and S2000. I obviously didn't drive both of them. Had one of the guys from the shop, H1, come out with me and drive them out. But today we're just gonna go ahead and show you all the cars. This thing came out like, this meet was completely epic. So many nice cars. I'm gonna show you a couple of my favorite ones. Number 2, so many dope cars out here, but I'm gonna show you a couple of my favorite ones right away. You can never go wrong with a Porsche 911 with CBS wheels. Out here. What was your favorite car out here today?
I'm gonna have to say it was not the M3.
Oh damn! Hurt my feelings right there.
I don't know. That's a tough one. That's a tough one. I didn't know you were gonna do me like that.
Come on, it's a
dude. I don't know. There's a lot of cars here.
Okay, top three. The most gangster car here is the Top Secret Supra. Straight freaking race car. Kevlar freaking doors. Look at the freaking engine bay, guys. Freaking huge turbos with the bubble cut. This thing is pretty crazy because the freaking whole bonnet flips open, so this thing's pretty crazy, man. It's like super crazy, huge motor, fat tire, super clean paint job, pretty crazy. The only E46 M3 out here, and I'm sure there was a couple of 1000s, but this is probably the cleanest one out here. If we're keeping it 100.
100.
I think we're gonna leave before everybody starts taking off, and there's already a lot of people leaving, as you guys can see. So we're gonna take off, and I'm gonna go ahead and show young H1 the ways. See if he can keep up with the S2000. The summer kickoff meet, we had a great time. Such a sick turnout, so many dope cars and so many great people, man. A lot of you guys came up to me and said what's up, and I really appreciate that. If you guys are watching this video, I want to say what's up to you guys again. I really appreciate all the love and support. So we're gonna go ahead and head back to Oceanside right now, so let's get to it. Look good, man. You don't got 20 G's right now? I'll give it to you. Alright guys, that's gonna wrap up today's video. I had a great time at the summer kickoff meet for Dustin. Tiana even blessed me with my favorite Legend shirt. So I had a great time, met a lot of you guys out there. A lot of people came up to me, asked to take pictures and stuff like that. And to be honest, I was like super humbled because like it's just super cool. So much love from you guys. Really appreciate all the love, all the support. So today's video was just to kind of, you know, me being able to drive this thing finally, and S2000 H1. Thank you for coming out there with me. You know, finally kind of getting back to normal. You know, this is a long time coming. I haven't been to a meet in I don't even know how long, but had a great time. Hope you guys enjoyed just a little peek into the Southern California car culture. Crazy how many dope cars are out here, man. It's such a good turnout, great times. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe and notification buttons, because this week I feel like blessing you guys with a bunch of updates on some of the cars we're working on. And go ahead and follow us on IG. I'm gonna go ahead and drop our links right here. Again, here at SOS Customz, we got you covered. Peace.